Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. Thai system, devoted forerunners. Rejoin us. Ready for the latest intel on the most fascinating decentralized project of our time, the Pi Network? You're unfortunate, because we're about to enter the Pi Network's news update zone, and the information we've got for you will knock your socks off. Let the Pi Network fall from the sky. With that settled, let's watch the video. Recently, the core crew has been concentrating intensely on opening the main. So, what does this entail, exactly? Still, passing this point is a big deal for Pi Network because it means the end of the testnet and the beginning of the mainnet. The Pi Network will move closer to being a worldwide usable and fully functional cryptocurrency as a result of this. Not only that, though. The excitement of the core team goes far beyond the debut of mainnet. They are also committed to helping out Pi Network developers in any way they can. The main team of the Pi Network platform is dedicated to nurturing the platform's active developer community in the hopes that it will generate new and useful applications and services. The Pi Network development community has provided us with first-hand details. The central team is making extraordinary efforts to guarantee a smooth rollout of the Open Mainnet. Not only that, but they're also doing more to help people who build Pi networks. Think of yourself as one of a group of creative thinkers whose ideas will be heard and implemented. That time is drawing near, my friends. However, that's not all. In this episode, we'll give you exclusive information and a preview of Pi Network's mainnet debut and how you may participate. Get ready for Pi Network to usher in a new era of decentralized networks. Get yourself a beverage, settle in, and fasten your seatbelts, because you're in for a bumpy journey. If you're as enthusiastic about Pi Network as we are, then hit that subscribe button and like that Pi Network page. The Pi Network core team is hard at work laying the groundwork for the Pi Network and its developer policies. Understanding the crucial role Pi software will have in completing the project. The development community is a vital part of the Pi Network's future, thus the team is working hard to cultivate it before the Open Mainnet Launch. Their work in developing innovative apps and technology is essential to the network's success. In order to get more people involved, the core team is hard at work creating the framework for easy app development and deployment. In addition to building up the underlying system, the core team is also establishing guidelines for the Pi Network's developer community. In order to facilitate cooperation, transparency, and the application of best practices, these guidelines have been developed. By establishing clear guidelines and requirements, the group's goal is to stimulate development of impressive Pi software. Users will be able to take advantage of the Pi Network's special capabilities if the network's developers work together to create useful applications. Therefore, the core team's efforts to assist developers are indicative of their dedication to fostering a vibrant ecosystem. The launch of Open Mainnet is a major accomplishment for Pi Network. The current testnet phase will conclude, and a fully operational blockchain network will launch. The core team knows how important it is to give developers a voice and give them access to everything they need for a successful launch. The project's dedication to fostering innovation and collaboration through the provision of a platform for developers to unleash their creativity is exemplified by the construction of infrastructure and procedures adapted to the demands of Pi Network developers. Pi Network's goal is to attract a large number of useful applications that will increase the network's accessibility and popularity. As the Pi Network's core team continues to create the basis for the Open Mainnet launch, the developer community is looking forward to additional opportunities and assistance. The collaboration between the core team and developers should yield an exciting new wave of Pi apps that will shape the network's trajectory. Pi Network, which launched this year, has quickly garnered traction as a mobile-friendly cryptocurrency with low energy and battery requirements for mining. Early adopters of the project are contributing to its growth and development by funding infrastructure and regulating the rules under which Pi Network developers operate. The project gets them closer to their dream of a digital economy that is both decentralized and accessible to all. As Pi Network nears its Open Mainnet debut, the platform's future seems promising. Throughout this process, developers have been instrumental. A few hours ago, the Pi Art Festival's return was announced on Twitter by the Panini Paintwork core team, the creators of the first cryptocurrency. Members of the Pi network will have their artistic abilities on display at the June 28th event. Imagine a Day in a Pi-Powered Society is this year's theme for the Pi Art Festival. Members, or pioneers, are urged to use their artistic skills to create stunning artworks depicting a future in which the benefits and usability of the Pi network have been completely realized. During the two-day Pi activities, the Pi network community will have access to its own dedicated Fireside forum channel to aid in the showcasing of its artistic abilities. In this exclusive Twitter feed, trailblazers can showcase their work for admiring community members to retweet their praise. The central team also promised to reveal later this week when and where creative works might be submitted. The members of the Pi network community who have heard this news are ecstatic. They can't wait to show off their artistic abilities and participate in this vibrant celebration. Pi network's dedication to encouraging artistic expression, teamwork, and civic participation is exemplified through the annual Pi Art Festival, which has become a fan favorite among its user base. The festival provides an outlet for early adopters to discuss their hopes, fears, and visions for a future powered by the Pi network. To create a cryptocurrency that is accessible to a wide range of people and can be mined on mobile devices without negatively impacting battery life or requiring an excessive amount of energy, Dr. Nicholas Koupkalis and his colleagues in 2019 created the Pi network. Millions of early adopters have helped the network grow and improve since its inception. As the time ticks down to Pi Day 2 and the Art Festival, early adopters are tasked with devoting themselves to the creation of visually arresting works that capture the revolutionary spirit of the Pi network. Art and the shared dream of a Pi-powered future will be celebrated at the festival, and its contributions are widely anticipated around the world. The core team has been hard at work providing developers with the resources they need to create innovative apps for the Pi network. This welcoming approach guarantees the continued development and improvement of the Pi network with the support of its devoted user base. That's all. Consider the matter settled. Pi network's core team is totally committed to the Open Mainnet release and supporting Pi network's developers. The future seems bright for this innovative cryptocurrency firm. If you're interested in learning more about the Pi network and other exciting crypto-related topics, subscribe to our channel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. See you in the next video. Bye.